of our favourite little secret places in Japan. Oh, we're not in Japan. We're actually here in Australia. And we're going to have Japanese at... I'm going to tell you where we are later. Cheers. Thought I'd get Japanese beer while I wait for my meal. Like I say, we're not in Japan at the moment, we're here in Australia, but boy, we had some fun at some of those restaurants in Japan. And if you're unsure, check out some of my videos in Japan where we went to the restaurants. You cannot beat going to a restaurant in Japan. They are so much fun.
We will make boom! The bag! Okay, ready, here we go. You want a big one, small one? Hey, man. Just a little bit, huh? I'm saving my phone. Oh! Ice cream! Thank you,
Arigato. Back again. We do it with or without them? We go without. Oh no. Me and chopsticks again.
That's why I'm getting full.
I don't know how to use chopsticks. We'll have a crack. You gotta be quick, otherwise you're not gonna see me eat them. They're good. So I'll put a bit of lemon on it. Let's see what that's like. Oh, look at that. Alright. That's good. That's really good. I think it's like onion and mushroom. And I am not the best chopstick operator. So yeah. Alright. Michelle loves prawns, but I don't think they're hers. I still have so much left on my plate. I'm getting full, but we'll keep going. We've got more to go.
Thank you.
Arigato gozaimasu. Arigato gozaimasu. Chopsticks are back. That's what happens when you're the #1 chopstick operator in Australia. Probably not. We all know I can't use chopsticks, so I'll use these, and then when you disappear, I'll use this. But for now, we'll go with chopsticks. Let's see. Ready? Oh, that's good.
Imagine the camera so that's
Man, that's alright. Very good. Konnichiwa. Nice. chicken's really nice. It's like super soft. Right, really soft. No way! How the hell's he doing that? Oh, you're kidding me!
Of course it's
It's a chicken. I like it. Chicken little. Excellent. It's flavor, crunchy omelet in the shell. Cooking. Please stop. Okay, rolling. Japanese omelet. Longest omelet on the top. Chicken little. Okay, that's the money, that's the bacon, that's the cousin. Hey, come and get me. Rolling. On my right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, putting you. Hold your napkin on your neck, please, napkin up.
Oh no! It's napkin time. Napkin time.
Hold it.
There's no way I'm gonna catch this.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
It's just gonna end bad.
Hey Siri, start recording.
Okay.
2, 3. Too high. One more, come on, nearly there.
He's just determined. Just throwing anything at me.
Take the one away. No more support. No one's going on.
He's determined. Just quit.
Yeah! Okay, you guys have a
Oh, surprise!
Okay, this is special, it's different from Monterey's. Anyone can make this one, but the next one is special. Okay, I say clear, okay, ready, watching, so you're filming, here we go, shooting. 1, 2, 3, I say clear, hand up.
Very good. While we wait for our rice to be made, why doesn't Sapporo come and sponsor me?
Thank you.
Just saying. Arigato gozaimasu. We're back. Fried rice. Japanese style. We all know I'm good with chopsticks, so you're just gonna have to give me a minute to work it out. There we go. Oh. We did this in Japan. I couldn't do it in Japan. It was it wasn't embarrassing because I don't do embarrassing. So, but I mean, look at that. How much rice have I got? None. I would like to tell you the rice is nice, but I can't manage to get any of it. Far out. Oh! I've just got to get this in my mouth. Very nice. So the best thing is you could do this on the Gold Coast, the Goldie, Queensland. And is it worth it? Absolutely. It's fantastic. Great fun. I mean, very entertaining, good fun. So this is that moment when they're not only cooking you your meal and entertaining you, but they know what they're doing. Like to actually cook your meal as you want it. It's brilliant. You've got to come here. You've got to give this a go. It's absolutely well worth it.
We will make fire. Salt and pepper.
I like it. That's like Michelin chef stuff.
Any special occasions tonight? No, I'm saying any special occasions?
I think there might be over there. Yeah.
We're just married.
It was the shiny rings on the fingers that gave it to us earlier. We're all smiles. We're all smiles. Congratulations. Honestly. We got married and we came to the Gold Coast for our honeymoon as well.
Yeah, we're all the way from down in New South Wales. So we come from the Wollongong area.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
We ever travel, but it was fun.
Yeah.
You got your whole life and kids. I'm trying to talk it up. It just gets better from here. Are you staying here? It's my favourite hotel in Queensland. Of all the places to go, I actually love Seaworld.
What's your name? You got a short name?
Jenna.
Jenna, J? J-E-N-N-A. And say your name? Jordan. J-J. Can I put J-J?
Can you fit it in? Yeah.
It's writing it backwards too. Just married.
Just married. Happy honeymoon.
Married still.
Married still, I like that. Married still.
We can't even.
Very good.
Congratulations.
Well, you're gonna love Dennis.
Congratulations.
Say cheers.
That's fine for me. Thank you very much.
Arigato gozaimasu. Alright. The shogun. Come on. Come on. Say cheese. There. Arigato gozaimasu. So again, a secret little place that I'm letting you into is here on the Goldie, of all places, on the Gold Coast. It's not our first time coming here. Different chef, never had Dennis before, but I can tell you, he was excellent. It was well worth it. You'll have a great time. So impressed. I actually, although we're not here staying in Seaworld this time, this is my favourite place to come to and stay. Over the years, you cannot beat Seaworld. What can I say? Come here, come to the Gold Coast, have a look at Seaworld, check out the Japanese restaurant. You can get some Japanese beers at the bar, or you can go in there and have some Japanese beers as well, but you absolutely have to come here and give this place a go. Alright guys, I'll catch you on the next one.